Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Godrej Consumer Products. Our analyst maintains buy on Godrej Consumer with a price target of Rs 1675. Godrej Consumer is focusing on category development through relevant product launches and simplification of business to drive consistency in its performance and improve the earnings growth trajectory going ahead. Launch of innovative products in home insecticides and fabric care categories will help to improve the revenue growth trajectory and bring consistency in the India business performance. The restructuring of the East African business will aid in margin improvement in the GUAM business. With right strategies in the place, we expect the company's revenue and PAT to clock a CAGR of 8% and 19% respectively over FY24 to 26. The stock trades at 57 times its FY25 and 49 times its FY26 earnings respectively. Next, we have an update on Zydus Wellness. Our analyst maintains buy on Zydus Wellness with a price target of Rs 3000. Zydus Wellness banks on three pillars: accelerating growth of core brands, building international presence, and significantly growing scale. This is to drive growth. Scale up of the international business and some of the new launches reaching maturity will improve growth prospect in the long run. Key brands of the company continue to maintain their strong leadership position and gain market share consistently. Margin expansion will be supported by stabilizing raw material prices, cost efficiencies, and operating leverage. The stock is currently trading at 33 times FY25 and 26 times FY26 EPS respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.